What's up, Food Jacks? Hope you guys are having a good day. It's time to get another Back to Basics video done. As you saw, we taught you how to clean your cutting board on the last Back to Basics. We're basically showing you some basic, simple videos, great for young children, great for new beginners who are just getting into cooking and want to create some dishes. So today we're going to do an egg sandwich. It's a simple one. I really enjoyed when we did the art of making a sandwich. Well, this is kind of like the art of making a breakfast sandwich, okay? So let's get started. We'll bring you in. We'll show you all the characters of the play, and then we'll start making our sandwich. This is the only ingredient that's an option, okay? You have two options on putting stuff on your toast when you go to make your toasted bread, okay? You can either use mayonnaise, which I prefer mayonnaise on a breakfast sandwich, but some people just put plain butter. There may be something else you prefer. You may just want mustard. I don't know. But this is where you can change it up and give it a whole nother flavor, okay? If you've ever put mustard on a breakfast sandwich, it's totally different. It's going to change the entire flavor of the sandwich. So today we're using mayonnaise. You got mayo, you got your eggs, here's your bread, and then this is what you're going to do. You're definitely going to have cheese on an egg sandwich because you got to melt that over the egg. And then we're choosing any meat. You can use ham, you can use turkey, you can use chicken. You want a breakfast meat that's going to go on your breakfast sandwich or your egg sandwich, okay? This one we're using peppered turkey, and I'll show you how to prepare all that, okay? All right, first step is you're going to want to toast your bread. Get that prepared, okay? You want to get that done so you don't have to worry about that later. So once the eggs cook, you can bring it right over to the bread, lay it right on the bread. So get your bread toasted, whether it's a toaster, an air fryer, or just the broiler flame in your oven. It doesn't matter. I'm going to throw this in the oven right now, toast up the bread, because I don't have my toaster. I think the kids took it when they moved out. So I don't know where my toaster is, so I'm going to have to use the broiler flame, all right? Toast up your bread, bring it back here, and then we'll do the next step. So as you can see, we got our toasted bread. Let's put it out here. You can see it's all golden brown. Put that over there to cool off. Here's our toasted bread. So we don't get these warm spots burning on our cutting board. There we go. Okay. Once again, you can use butter, mayonnaise, mustard, anything you prefer. Grey Poupon, deli mustard, anything. My mom always taught me with a spoon, spread your mayonnaise around. And there you go. Just leave it just like that. Now meet me over at the stove, and we'll get our egg, meat, and cheese prepared. Get your fry pan out. Get the flame going. You want to keep it on kind of a medium low. Don't want the egg cooking too fast. I like medium. Make sure you got a flame. There you go. Take your spatula that you're going to cook with. Cut yourself some butter. Throw a little butter in the pan. Let that melt. Now this is what I like to do. Nothing's worse than an egg sandwich and the meat is cold. So I always put the meat in kind of first. Just let it fry a little bit. I got 2 slices here. Take that off. That's pretty well heated up. I don't like cold meat. I like it to be warm when it goes on the egg and the cheese. All right? Then grab your egg, drop it in. Now you have 2 choices. You can cook this like a fried egg with the yolk intact, or you can do what I normally do, bust it. Just bust the yolk and let it cook, however you want it. and the yolk, don't worry about it. That all cooks up just fine. Take your egg, flip it. Now what I like to do, take my cheese and add it to the egg before it comes out of the pan. Let it melt up a little bit. Okay, what you're going to do is, and don't worry about using your hands because you're going to be picking this sandwich up anyway with your hands. Go ahead and lay the cheese and the egg on here. There you go. This is probably where you would add your little salt, little pepper. Take your breakfast meat, lay that right on top. Oh, we need a tomato. What am I doing? I got to grab a tomato. Hold on. And there you go. That's how you make a fried egg sandwich. You can do egg salad sandwich, any type of breakfast sandwich. You can do poached eggs, you can do fried eggs, anything you want. But make sure you got cheese, tomato, salt and pepper, mayo or butter for on your bread. And that looks beautiful. Look at that. Let's try it out. I don't know about you guys, but I love breakfast for dinner. And this is one of the best breakfast dinners. I guess you call it breakfast dinner, right? If you've ever had breakfast for dinner, a lot of families that are trying to stretch $1, it's a great inexpensive dinner. But you know what? I don't care if it's expensive or inexpensive. I love breakfast for dinner. And sometimes I like breakfast like 1, 2 in the morning. It's awesome. So here we go. Let's give this a try right now. Oh, that cheese is all melty. I don't know what it is, guys. Something about egg and cheese and mayo and a little bit of pepper and tomatoes and some breakfast meat. That was pepper turkey. That tastes delicious. It's all good. Give that a try. Have fun with it. And I'll see you on the next episode. I love you. Bye-bye.